What's up, friends? Market up or down? The market is actually down. So we're looking to make some moves. We're looking to buy. Let's take a look at the brokerage and see exactly what's going on. Nothing is happening. Um, I do have all the statements pulled, so stay tuned till the end of the video if you would like to see the statements. But I'm trying to make this as quick as possible. We have 235 in cash, and you can see here. MTB is our oldest. Our biggest position is DG, so that's the one we need to check. And there she is. So obviously still way under the 30 RSI. What we do like is the fact that the histogram started to turn around. So this is a buy for me. Remember, make all your own decisions, but this is a buy for me. 155.54. It's nice that we actually have enough cash to make the purchase. Not very long ago, we didn't have the money to make these kind of moves. We would be waiting for the $10 a week to start to add up. But since we are moving with the market, when the market drops, we have cash. 155.54. 2-day trades, that's important to keep in mind. All right, so we're going to buy. First trigger's the second. We'll go for a round trip here. And we're going to buy one at 155.54, which is the last price. Beautiful. Good till cancel with the extended hours on both of these. We're going to buy one and sell, hopefully, two, right? So we need to get our sell price. So in order to do that, we're going to add these up, divide by 2. That'll get us our average. It's also right down here. And I like to times mine by 1.01 to get a 1% profit target. Pause the video if you need to. We're going to go ahead and put the order in. For 158.78. And double check here. Wow, see, we're below our purchase price. Was perfect, right? It is perfect. Looks good to me. Ship it. All right. Next one up is MTB, and we only have $79, so we don't even need to look at that one. We don't have enough. PINC. Let's just take a peek. All we're looking for is the fact that it's above or below the 30 RSI, and it is above. All right. So now, what's the next step? What's the next course of action? What do we do? What's our trading plan? Remember, a trading plan should be written down. It's something you can look at. It's something you can explain to other people, right? We have almost $80, and the market's down. It's not something that we want to let pass us by. Let's go ahead and refresh. This has been up all day, so refresh. All the highlighted yellows are the criteria I put in. So pause the video if you need to take a deeper look at that. And we do have price here. Okay. We got $80. So this one's out. This one's out. We got 3 left. Advanced Auto Parts. Anytime you have a big cliff like this, you need to be very careful, right? But you can see it stopped going down. It's starting to go sideways now, right? I like the PEs are super low, right? Our goal here for something, this is not in our universe. So our goal's anything under 15 for a normal stock, 10 for a bank, right? Dividends low, which is, they don't have a lot of debt. So that's a low risk option here. These two numbers kind of wash each other out. It's a slow grower. It's not anything that's going to go crazy. But I don't see anything here that is making me hesitant. So let's go ahead and take this one, 65.54 for advance. And that one gets most of our money in. So at that point, I mean, it's not my favorite of the ones listed, but it's the one that gets us closer to our goal, right? 65.54. Really? I just screwed that up, didn't I? All right. The computer would work. That would be fantastic. 65.54. All right. Probably an operator error. It's all good. So, this will be our second round trip order. Keep this in mind. And we can go ahead and put the sell in. Which is beautiful. Remember, first triggers the second for round trip orders. 65.54. And we need to figure up our sell price. Good till cancel with the extended on both ends here. We're only going to take one and get rid of one. We're just building a position. All right, so this number times 1.01 will get you your answer. Pause the video if you need a second to do the math. All right, 66.19 is what I got. So we're going to rock this, and that should put all of our capital in. All right, we have $14 left. We're going to let that simmer. And for a little big picture, let's double check back here and go back to the spider. We're pretty close to the top, but it is not the top, technically. So all this running up, we got our profits. It went sideways. So remember, when what should happen doesn't, that's just as telling as what does happen. So you had a topping tail here, and the market was supposed to go down, but it didn't. It went sideways. So that's an indication that maybe we're going up, right? So we're good here. We're got in. We're not at the top. The market is at a high RSI, and we're getting in at 30 down here. So we're good in the rotation, and everything's working just fine. So now let's go through the statements. So for TD Ameritrade first, one thing you should notice here is that the income is 16 cents, but when it says income over here, it's just these two added up, right? Sometimes you get interest income from banks and other stocks like that, and I've got some foreign stocks too. So 16 cents is what we're going to put in the spreadsheet. So quarter over quarter, 16 over 3. We've got an increase, right? That gets us a little closer to our goal, but nothing crazy. 531. Let's go ahead and get that in there. As you can see, the passive income portfolio, which is just buy and hold, is out of sight, out of mind. I'm not doing anything to this besides what's on the video. So over here is the statement for that, and we have period 16 cents on that as well. So let's go ahead and enter that in. And you can see this is a pretty big improvement. We had a little snafu here where the payment date didn't quite make the end of the month. Same thing happened here though, right? And we went to a 10 to a 16. So that's a 60% increase, right? We're doing quite well here. So life is good. There's not a whole lot here while this is in the baby phases. But remember, none of this is our money. This is all profits from trading that have gotten divided up. And our goal is to have 1 month where our income is over $2. Okay. And that's when we'll start putting money in our bank account. So, as you can see, with $10 a week, it's possible, but it's very slow, right? So, if you had more money, it would go faster, so on and so forth. But please do not increase your investment money into your trading account without having your buckets in line. Make sure that you have all of your consumer debt paid off and most of your non-fixed debt. Have some money in the bank in case something happens. It's not your bad luck if you get sick. Everybody gets sick, right? It's not your bad luck if you lose your job. Everybody loses their job in the course of their life. It's not your bad luck if one of your family members has a hardship. Everybody that has a family member that has a hardship. It's how you handle the things that happen to you that separate you from the pack. And you have to be prepared, and you have to have money for a rainy day. So I hope that you're getting your money lined up. You're starting to think a little differently about cash flow and money. And instead of just being a consumer and spending all of your money you make on Friday, you're starting to collect money. And that is what gets you on the other side of the cash register. So a good May overall. Let's check out the spreadsheet one more time. We got a 16 over here. And we might have to do some work on the spreadsheet, but we got 16 over here too. So 32 cents. We did absolutely zero for, and life is good. So for May, if you add these up, your sum is here, $12 on a $600 account. That's roughly 2%, right? So if the market averages 10% or 8%, depending on which numbers you look at, we made 2% in a month. So that is alpha. Remember, the whole goal is to find a way to compound faster than the market so that you can have a time hack, right? Just like Back to the Future DeLorean style, we are speeding up time and compounding money faster than the traditional methods. And I hope this is helpful to you. If you have questions, please reach out. I am starting to stream on Twitch. It's not every day. I have to kind of adjust to my new lifestyle. And I'm trying to help my mom get set up. And she's doing well. So that's important. You got to take care of the people that have taken care of you in the past. And the best investment you can make is in other people. Don't ever forget that. So I hope this video finds you well. I hope you're doing good. Reach out if you need anything, and we'll catch you tomorrow. Peace out.